We're here with our player of the game, Victoria Walker. Scored her first career goal to even it up at 1-1, and then Toreros go on to win 2-1. Tori, talk about that first goal and what happened and what was going through your head after.
Right now it's kind of like a blur of like what happened, but I remember the ball came back to me and that I just struck it and then it went in. I mean, like I've never felt anything better in my life. It just felt so nice to just watch the ball roll over the line and go in the goal.
All right, as a team, you guys fell down 1-0, but you really took it to them, ended up getting the win. But the whole second half, you were pretty much controlling the tempo of the game. Talk about your team as a whole and their offensive possession.
Well, offensively, when we were down 1-0, I mean, we all just like realized that we needed to pick it up, and so we all just kind of just brought it together. And I mean, like, I think we just all just brought that different energy, and it showed when when I scored the goal, and then when Emily, we just changed. So.
All right, one more match against Pacific on Saturday. What needs to happen for you to get the victory?
We definitely need to bring it. I mean, when we play well, we're obviously going to win. So, I mean, that's just going to be a huge key. We all need to be pumped up for our last game. It's our senior day. I mean, we all just want to end the season on the right note and just do it for our seniors. And
talk about those 5 seniors and what they've meant to you during the season.
Oh, all of them mean so much to me. I mean, they all have, my freshman year, they've all put an impact. I really look up to all of them, and they are leaders on and off the field. And I mean, I really just want to send them off into their not soccer career on a good note. I mean, that's just how it should be, and we're going to get that win against Pacific. So.
All right, thank you, Tori.